There we go. Christmas rally. So, very simple. We closed that gap and we made a good push up. We got a resistance of 46.6670, and we'll probably tag that tomorrow. So we still have that divergence right here, and we're not out of the woods. And like I said, the divergence doesn't really trigger until you break the low point in between the two divergences. So we'll just have to see where we go from here, really. I still feel that we're going to go into a consolidation. And actually, I'm going to watch this trend too. And I'll stay bullish as long as we're above that trend line I just put in. I know I got a lot of lines around here. This is the trend line that goes way back. Actually, you know what? We just broke that bad boy, so I'm going to get rid of that. So I'm bullish as long as we stay above that trend line right here that I just put in. We're going to have to break this trend line right here for an upward move. But I'm giving SPX a neutral to bullish right now, so just be careful. Watch your downsides. Hopefully everybody took advantage of those dips, and we see a Christmas rally from here. Coming into January is going to be interesting. We're going to have to see what we look like. Let's see what we did to the weekly. Yeah, I mean, we still have that divergence. That divergence on the daily is consistent with the divergence on the weekly, which is a little more ominous. But again, we're pushing up right now. So I think for the next couple of weeks, we'll probably make that push up or grind in that consolidation. And then, I don't know. I'd feel a lot better if we just broke above the highs. But just be careful. Buy good stuff. Watch your downside. Manage your risks. And we should get out of this okay. I'm just looking for an easy few weeks to enjoy the holidays, and then I'll get back to work and worry about what's going on in the markets. Let's take a quick look at the 10-year, being that the data is popping up right now. So the 10-year on the daily, momentum's turning around, had that nice jump up. Jump. Closed below the 8-day, so it's kind of subjective. I expect the 10-year to keep grinding its way up, though. We'll see it tomorrow, which should be good for TBT. And if we look at the TBT chart, it should be the inverse of what we're seeing. Stopped out at the 8-day also. No, you can see that resistance right here at the gap. Gaps work like windows, man. And at the bottom part of the window, you're going to hit resistance. Market's closed. And then at the top of the window, you'll hit resistance. And then it'll keep moving. Or if it was coming down towards it, that usually acts as support. And I think that's what's happening here. We're just hitting a little resistance right there. It'll work it out and continue its march up. TBT. How do everything else do? Tesla put on 38 pounds. Just kind of grinding around here these days, Tesla. Yeah, look, she closed that gap right down over here. And now it's going to push up. I think it should grind up. There's no entry on the daily right now. Probably find one on the 60. It looks like it's building an inverted head and shoulders. Look, here's one shoulder. It looks like it's going to come up, build a shoulder. I bet it trades back down a little bit, and then you wait for that break of that trend. Maybe tomorrow it'll trade down, complete that other shoulder. This looks like a nice head and shoulders. Momentum turned around nicely. I'd look for a pullback before I get in, and then I could find a trade, and that probably a break on this trend. If it goes down tomorrow, this is the trend line I would look at. But I'll just wait for it to put in another high. If this is the high, it'll trade down tomorrow, and then wait for it to break that trend line, and away you go. You're in a trade for Tesla. Probably find nice intraday trades too, and everything else looks like it's doing all right. Hopefully, everybody picked away over the past few days. So I'm not going to bore you. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. Throw some comments. You guys have been interacting with me. I really appreciate that. Keeps me company, man. I'm out here secluded on the boat. I actually hopped off the dock for a few days, and I'm anchoring out off a little island while the rain passes. I like being out on the hook when it's raining because you get this nice easy rock to the boat instead of like jerking off the docks. And it's nice and comfortable. So anyway, keep me company. Everybody be calm and cool. If you're splitting for the holidays, happy holidays. If not, check me out tomorrow. Talk to you soon.